I'm Steven Sokimpong of Premier Diagnostic Malaysia.
My name is Muhammad Zaki bin Saleh. I'm the Director and Professor at the Integrative Pharmacogenomics Institute, UiTM Puncak Alam.
I'm Professor Dr. Teh. I'm the Deputy Director in iPromise, and I'm also the co-researcher for this particular product.
We have been in the diagnostic business for the past 20 years, and we are very proud to be associated with UiTM to manufacture and distribute their product called HLA-B 1502 PCR test kit to screen the hypersensitivity and potential reaction to the drugs.
Fatal continuous adverse drug reaction due to carbamazepine was reported very commonly among the Asians. The reactions is called Stevens-Johnson syndrome. UiTM team took up the challenge and developed a simple PCR-based test, and validation was done in a cohort of 86 patients in Hospital Kuala Lumpur.
The kit was developed using simple PCR approach. From our finding, patients who are positive for HLA-B 1502 actually carry 4 SNPs that change the function of HLA-B, and these SNP were actually used as marker for the genetic test.
We then clone the amplicon in E. coli, and the clone is used as the positive control.
Primers specific for this SNP were designed by our research team. In this kit, there are also positive internal and external control that will be run together with patient sample each time to avoid false positive and negative results.
The research to develop this product was funded by a grant provided by Kementerian Pengajian Tinggi. This product has won gold medals in Biomalaysia. Percipta iTech also won the Japanese Intellectual Property.
As a researcher, I'm very proud that this kit can be marketed and to benefit patients in Malaysia. We hope that those patients who are highly susceptible to adverse drug reaction will be safe from suffering further adverse drug reaction using this kit.
Lastly, I would like to thank UiTM for all the supports to commercialize this research product.
And we hope we can export to more countries like Africa and Middle East in the very near future. Premier Diagnostic would like to thank iPromise, UiTM, Professor Dr. Zaki and Professor Dr. Teh for the trust and partnership. We hope to make UiTM and iPromise a renowned name in the world in the future.